Hi there and welcome back to the Google Tag Manager for Beginners course. This time with a little plus edition, and the plus stands for challenges. Now we got a lot of requests from people who went through the GTM for Beginners series and I frankly wanted to learn more. So we came up with a little add-on package here that will help you to deepen your knowledge in Google Tag Manager. Now in the Google Tag Manager for Beginners series, you have learned how to set up Google Tag Manager. You know now how to deploy conversion tracking and also know about the capabilities of tracking events with the help of Google Tag Manager. But the real question is, do you feel comfortable doing this yourself now? Are you able to take the knowledge and apply it in different scenarios? If you're not quite comfortable, my recommendation would be to practice, because only practice will actually help you to be comfortable and apply your knowledge. And this is what we want to help you with in the GTM for Beginners Plus section. Our answer to practice are challenges. Now challenges are really about taking your learned knowledge and applying it in a real case scenario, which means actual implementations. And this is actually a concept that we have proven and tested in our Google Tag Manager Essentials training, where we also have exercises which we give our students in order to actually apply the knowledge that we have taught them in the course. And this really makes all the difference. So for example, this student says, yeah, the course is great. The information you provided is really valuable, but I think that what really makes it all sink in are the exercises. So what are the exercises all about? In our challenge, we will present you with a problem in video form, and then you'll go out on your own and actually do an implementation on a demo shop that we will provide you. You'll get access to this demo website where you'll implement your Google Tag Manager implementations. And afterwards, you go back to the video and see how I would have solved this problem and give you a few more hints on how you could be doing this effectively. So you get the best of both worlds. You get to apply your knowledge and learn some new useful tricks to make this all work. Now, what are these challenges? We actually have 3 challenges here for you. First one would be a goal setup. The second would be link click tracking, which is really about outbound link clicks. And then the third one would be form tracking. So the concepts that you have learned in the previous lessons would be applied here. So you get a learning effect by applying your knowledge in different forms to different implementations. As a bonus, we'll actually include some new lessons in the end of this challenges module, where you learn a few more tips and tricks. All right, so far, this is the Google Tag Manager for Beginners plus challenges module. Now we got lots to cover, so let's dive in.